Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are enjoying. Belated happy Diwali to all of you out there. And in today's video, I am going to talk about something that nobody talks about. Today I'm going to talk about the 9 reasons as to why people find it difficult to try something new. Okay, so let's just cut to the chase and let's begin right now. Point number 1, people are unaware that there could be another way to doing a few things. For example, did you know that getting up early in the morning can be really easy if you set up the alarm and put the alarm in such a place in your room where you would have to get up from your bed and switch off the alarm? 90% of the times this works. Why? Because you'll have to get up, and by the time you reach the place where you've kept the alarm and you switch it off, your tiredness or sleepiness gets over. Simple. Did you know this? Like this, similarly, there are a lot of other things where you can do in a different way. Point number 2, people think it won't work because your friends have tried it. And I am exactly like my friends. Have you ever done this before? अरे मेरे दोस्त ने किया यार, उसने 2-3 बार ट्राई किया और फिर गिव अप मारा, छोड़ दिया. मेरे से थोड़ी ना होने वाला है, मैं तो उसकी तरह ही हूँ, मैं क्या डिफरेंट करूंगा? Let me tell you something. No two individuals are the same, even identical twins. Okay, and there will never be two individuals which are completely the same in the future as well. So the way your friend is doing it, you will do it in a completely different way. Period. 3, they are already doing something else and have to complete that pending task because, well, we do not want to start something new because we have a pending task at hand. Now at this point of time, just assess the importance of that pending task. What value is that pending task going to give you? Is it worth continuing the pending task, especially if it's been a long time, you're not getting any results? If you find it difficult to get over that pending task to start something new, reassess and then forget it. If it's not giving you any value, move on, move over that task and try something new. 4, because what if we fail? Log kya kahenge? If I try something new and if I fail, what did the society think of me? Normally, what would the society say? अरे इसके पास अच्छा खासा नौकरी था, कुछ और ट्राई किया, जो था वो भी चला गया. Well, again, a fact check. All successful people have haters. Even a guy like Sachin Tendulkar has haters in India. Now, if a guy like Sachin Tendulkar has haters, why do you care what people think about you? Right? You just do what gives you joy, you just do what gives you happiness and forget what other people think about you. So, no matter what you do, there will be people who will oppose your idea in some way or the other. Point number 5, because you were told to do something new, it was not your idea. So, ईगो पे आ गया. मेरा बॉस ने बोला करने को, मेरा दोस्त ने बोला करने को, पर मेरा आइडिया नहीं है तो मन नहीं लगता करने में. Right? So your ego comes into place and you do not do that task really well, and then what happens? Then you tell your boss, मैंने बोला था ना ये अच्छा नहीं है करने को, तो ये नहीं चला. But did you do it with your whole heart? That's my question to you. Point number 6, because you failed a lot of times and you feel like, you need to move on and, this won't work. Let me tell you something. Colonel Sanders, the KFC guy, got his first sell after 1,009 attempts. He knocked on the door. Will you use my recipe for making this fried chicken? No. Knocked on the door. Will you use my recipe for fried chicken? No. Knocked on the door. Will you use my recipe for the fried chicken? No. मैं तो 3 बार बोल के थक गया. He did this for 1,009 times. Now that is patience and perseverance. Thomas Alva Edison, after 9,990 times, 9,999 times it took for him to perfect the art of an electric bulb. After how many times do you give up? 3, 4, मैं तो 3 बार बोल के थक गया. So these guys, they have such a thought process that it makes them think in such a way that, these are just the ways of not doing it. So 9,999 lessons have been learned by Thomas Alva Edison. 1,009 lessons were learned by Colonel Sanders. So that's the thought process that you're supposed to have. Point number 7. You are comfortable in the place where you are right now. You know that comfort zone. It's a beautiful place to be in, But the problem with this place is there will be no growth in your life. You will not get better in your life in any of the areas of your life. You just stay in the place where you are because you're not trying to do something new. So the typical answer that people would give here is, no, I'm happy in the place where I am. Well, then please ensure that person does not complain later when things does not go their way. Simple. If you're in a comfort zone, you're not doing anything, you don't have the rights to complain. Point number 8. People do not understand the benefits of trying something new. For example, if a person comes to you and pitches an idea and the benefits of that person may not be well versed or may not have the skills to let you all know about the benefits of that program. So if you're not clear about something, what could you do? Ask questions to the right people. It's completely fine to ask questions if you do not know about something. No individual in this world knows everything about this world. Right? So it doesn't matter if you do not know something, just ask questions, just clarify. Don't worry as to what people around you would think about you. And I spoken about this earlier as well. Last point. I already have a lot on my plate. I am too busy in my life. Well, if you're too busy in your lives, then think again, because if you were too busy in your lives, you wouldn't have time to complain about this, right? If you had a lot of tasks pending, you would just focus all the energy towards that task. One task over, get on to the next one, then get on to the next one. You wouldn't have time to say to anybody about how busy I am, right? So these are the 9 reasons. Okay, I hope this made sense. So these are the 9 reasons why people find it difficult to try out something new. I hope you'll enjoyed this video. If you'll enjoyed this video, please ensure you'll hit the like and subscribe button. I will come up with something else next week. Until then, belated happy Diwali. A brief introduction of myself. My name is Nimish Ramesh. I'm son of 2 lovely parents, brother of a beautiful independent woman. I'm an engineer turned MBA turned senior HR professional turned author and life coach. And my mission in life is to help people realize and achieve their true potential and be their best selves. Are you your best self right now? Think again. Okay? Until then, thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye. Take care.